With emergence of generative AI, how do you see the role of generative artificial intelligence in students' writing development?
Okay, when it comes to the use of AI in the writing classroom, I think one fundamental question to ask is whether we are using AI to improve student texts or improve student writers. Oftentimes, I think the tendency is to use AI to reduce workload, to make writing faster, and to achieve efficiency overall. I think it's more important to use AI to help students improve their learning and improve their writing. So it's important for teachers to equip students with the knowledge and skills to leverage AI responsibly, meaningfully, and productively. For instance, teachers can show students how to craft effective prompts so that they can engage in a dialogic interaction with AI, and they exercise their agency to be a proactive learner, posing metacognitive questions to AI to ask questions about the quality of the writing at different stages of the writing process. Also, teachers should provide guidelines about the do's and don'ts of AI use. One obvious don't is not to let AI generate content for them. Another do is for AI to provide a hint first instead of providing a complete solution for students. For example, if students have a query about a certain part of their writing, AI will give a light hint first and let students think and work on fixing that problem. If students still cannot fix the problem, AI will provide a stronger hint to let students think again and try to solve the problem in writing, so on and so forth. So the approach is from implicit to explicit so that students can engage in metacognitive thinking and develop independence.